Hey everyone, Chris here with PEO Metrics. PEO Metrics is a free service which quickly compares the best 5 to 8 PEOs for your business, saving you up to 30% on your PEO costs. When we compare, you save. Today we're going to talk about the PEO payroll model, okay? So I know there's a lot of companies out there who maybe use a payroll service provider today, or maybe they manage payroll in-house. They're thinking about moving to a PEO and want to understand what PEOs offer from a payroll perspective. So first answer, short answer, yes. PEOs absolutely provide payroll processing services. So they calculate wages, they process payroll taxes, and they distribute paychecks or direct deposits to employees. So that's included in a PEO's services. But that's not all PEOs do, right? The PEO wants to become your comprehensive HR solutions partner. Okay, so when a business partners with a PEO, the business actually enters into a co-employer relationship with that business's employees. And that has several advantages for the business, right? From an employee benefits administration perspective, which is another benefit of partnering with a PEO, is that the PEOs often offer access to benefits like health insurance, retirement plans, and other perks, okay? And the reason co-employment is important there is if, let's say you're a 50-person business and you go out to the open market and you're negotiating for benefits for your business, you're a very small risk pool, which means you're risky for an insurance company, right? If you have a aging workforce, or if you have a catastrophic issue that can rapidly raise the cost of your health insurance. And that's actually baked into your health insurance fees. So odds are you're paying more than a larger business would for health insurance. But once you're part of a PEO, you're instantly a much larger business. So you become a part of that PEO's workforce. Some PEOs have hundreds of thousands of employees. So you have instant savings on health insurance. You also have access to Fortune 500 level insurance plans for your employees. The next thing that PEOs offer is HR compliance support. Okay, so they'll assist businesses in complying with federal, state, and local employment laws and regulations, ensuring that businesses also adhere to laws regarding wages, workplace safety, discrimination, and other HR-related matters. Another big bucket and another benefit of co-employment revolves around risk management. Okay, so again, 50-person employee group, you're out negotiating for workers' compensation insurance. You're going to pay more because there's 50 employees in your group. Once you expand via co-employment to thousands or hundreds of thousands of employees, the workers' compensation costs go significantly down, right? And so this is another benefit of partnering with a PEO, is that they can help you with HR issues like workers' compensation. Negotiating for workers' compensation insurance rates should be significantly lower. They can help you navigate unemployment claims and employee lawsuits. The other thing they're going to do really to help minimize workers' compensation claims for your business is safety training programs and assistance with developing HR policies and procedures to really minimize risks. Last thing is they really do become your HR administrator. So PEOs handle various administrative tasks. They're going to be the liaison between you and your employees as it pertains to all things HR. So onboarding and offboarding, maintaining employee records, and providing HR support to both employers and employees. Now, if you're thinking about a PEO just for payroll processing, PEOs aren't just going to do payroll processing, right? You're going to enter into this full relationship. You're going to outsource your full HR model to that PEO. Oftentimes what ends up happening is now you have access to best-in-class HR support, right? Now your employees have access to significantly better healthcare plans, and they're able to get access to those and to workers' compensation insurance at a significantly lower rate for the business. So certainly something to think about. If you're thinking about a PEO for your business, and you go to the open market and start, reaching out to different PEOs and negotiating with different PEOs, it takes a lot of time and it's going to be very costly if you negotiate directly. What PEO Metrics does is we can pair you with the best 5 to 8 PEOs specifically for your business and your business needs, saving you time and money. We save on average about 30% on the PEO costs for our clients versus them negotiating with the PEOs directly. Whenever we compare, you save. So if you'd like to learn more about whether a PEO might be a good fit for your business, click on the link in the video description. Tell us a little bit about your company, and our PEO experts will be in touch, let you know whether we think a PEO makes sense for your business. And if it does, we can work to connect you with the top PEOs for your specific business, helping you save time and money. Thanks for watching.